This is my quick review of the Homvana Cool Mist Humidifier. I have been using this unit for the last month during winter and I just want to share my opinion on it. So when you turn it on, it goes in high mode. You can just press the power button to go in low mode if you don't want that much of a mist, and it just turns off if you press a third time. You can also choose the color of the lighting. There's many colors, and there's also a mode where it shuffles between all of them. It has a timer function if you want it to stop after 2 hours or after 4 hours or after 6 hours, 8 hours, 10, and there's also the timer off option as well. And finally, there is this mode that is sleep mode, which will turn off the light and also the LCD display. Because I don't want any light to blind me while I'm sleeping, I want it to be completely dark. The mist comes from the hole on the top. I think it has a great amount of mist, great for a bedroom. But one of the reasons I bought this model is that it's very easy to fill it with water. You remove the lid and you just pour the water directly inside. This way you won't spill water all around. I also like the fact that it's very easy to clean since you have access to all the parts. Overall, I really recommend this humidifier. It also has an essential oil tray if you want to add this. I'm not a fan, so I didn't use it, but otherwise it's great.